Hey guys, happy Wednesday, happy hump day, happy Wednesday. And if you're new on this video, good morning, welcome to my channel and happy Wednesday. And if you haven't subscribed, please guys, subscribe. What are you waiting for? You don't want to miss this. Um, and also, again, I said I was going to start this, so let me go ahead and get this out the way before I forget. If today is your birthday and you're celebrating a birthday today, guys, December 27, 2023, I want to be the first to wish you a very happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you and you. Happy birthday if this is your birthday today, and welcome to my channel, guys. Our channel, my crazy big black family on YouTube, guys. Exactly, you heard it correctly. Crazy big black family, because that's what we are. Crazy big family, and we black, guys. Take notes, write it down, but that's where you're at. Welcome to my channel, guys, and I want to also say I hope you guys have had an amazing holiday season thus far. Um, I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas because mine was absolutely spectacular. We had an amazing day, guys. We had an amazing Christmas morning. We opened up gifts. We exchanged stocking stuffers. We exchanged Secret Santas. It was amazing. So please go check out our Vlogmas videos and our vlogs for Christmas Day and Christmas Eve, and all the days, all our Vlogmas videos leading up to on Christmas Day, guys, because we was doing it this year. But welcome to our channels, guys. Welcome to our channel. I want to wish you guys a welcome because we're thankful and appreciative to have you on this channel. We take every single one of our subscribers as their individual that we appreciate and love individual as who they are. It takes you individually time to press subscribe, and individually we want to thank each and every one of you guys individually. Thank you and thank you and thank you and thank you and thank you, and please continue to subscribe and appreciate you. We don't want you guys to ever think that we're not appreciative, that we're not thankful, and we want to ask that you guys continue to support our channel. Please continue to support my crazy big black family. Please continue to get the like on these videos, and please continue to share our videos. Comment on our videos, good or bad. It's all good. Everybody has a chance and has an opinion. We welcome them all. We also have opinions as well, so that's just saying. You have your opinion, we have ours, but I want to take this chance again to say welcome and thank you for subscribing to my crazy big black family. And if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget, get subscribed to this video. Get subscribed and don't forget, share this video. I hope that you guys, we're discussing last night what we're going to be doing for the upcoming New Year's 2024. Yes, we were trying to decide what we're gonna do. I like another new robe. That's my other one over there on the wall. I got two. They are so beautiful. I got like two new robes for Christmas, and some nice little flip flops to kick it around the house with. A new press print machine that also comes with a tumbler maker, cup maker. I think a hat maker. So my business also got I got a gift for being a business owner as well. So from my husband. And so, we feel blessed and we want to just wish you guys an amazing upcoming holiday season for the upcoming New Year's. Whatever you choose to do, whatever your endeavors are, whatever you choose to end up, wherever you choose to go, guys, please return back home safely. Be safe, drive safe, and make sure you let your loved ones know how much you love them this year. Make sure you let your loved ones know what they mean to you this year. Life's too short. No time to waste it on old problems or holding grudges or anything like that, guys. Let's try to start off the new year in a new space, new place, and let's just try to literally let bygones be bygones and let the past tense be forgot. Literally. Welcome to my crazy big black family, guys. And again, I hope that you guys are enjoying this ride on this channel, because again, we don't stop. We continuously go. We continuously post. We continuously vlog. We continuously show you guys that we are dedicated to our channel and to what we provide, which is craziness from a big black family in all aspects of the word. Good crazy, bad crazy, happy crazy, sad crazy, but whatever works, that's what we do. We give it to you in all aspects. We do outings, we do family fun days, we do family, we just sit around and have domino games. We sit around and we go visit my parents. We have my parents out. We do things like that as a family because to us that is very important, and it's like the most important thing is family. So just try to spread love and awareness about family today, and happiness with family, guys. I thank you guys so much for tuning in to my crazy big black family, guys. And this channel right here, need I say more? You want to get subscribed, because this channel right here is the original, and we do it every single day, all day, every day. Different content, different videos, and we're here to aim and to please all of our viewers and potential viewers, and all of our subscribers and potential subscribers. So we ask that you guys go ahead and jump on board. Come on over. Next stop, My Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy Wednesday. And don't forget, if today's your birthday, happy birthday. Love you guys. Blessings from all of our family to yours. From everybody over here on My Crazy Big Black Family. Have an amazing day today. Love you. Bye.